Great. Welcome to Hawking Galaxy. In this video, I am going to cover mutual inductance of two long solenoid. Uh, so let us make two solenoid. Let us make a solenoid in which the primary turns and secondary turns are wound on it. Okay. So this is our solenoid. This is let this be the primary coil and this be secondary coil. And here I have connected a galvanometer, and the current is flowing into this primary coil. So that's why it develops an magnetic flux that will linked with that secondary coil. That will link with it secondary coil, and and you know that these both are in perfect coupling. These both are in perfect coupling, as the angle between them, that is phi is va cos theta. So the angle between them, cosine angle is 0 degree. Cos 0 is 1. Okay. So now let us start. Now magnetic flux associated with the secondary coil. As you know, this current is flowing, this will produce a magnetic flux across the secondary coil. So that will be the magnetic flux. So magnetic flux across secondary coil, what will it be? It will be M IP, that is NS phi s. This I have already told in the previous video. Okay. MIP, that is NS. In this we have to take like this P and S are primary and secondary coil. Okay. So magnetic flux linked with the secondary magnetic flux across a secondary coil, what will it be? That is phi is VA cos theta, BA cos theta, AS cos 0 is 1, cos 0 degree. As there is no angle between them, that is 0 degree. They are in perfect coupling, so angle is 0 degree. Okay, their line of axis are same. Okay, now we understand their line of axis are same. So MIP, that is NSBP, you should remember that number of turns we should count here in this formula. We would count the number of turns of secondary coil, and this the magnetic field that is linked to that is linked to primary coil, not secondary. If there is a magnetic field, actually magnetic field produced by this primary coil, so that's why we take BP, that is primary coil के across का जो magnetic field है, and area we will take of secondary coil, not of primary coil. If there are two areas are given, that the area of primary coil is given and secondary coil is given, then which area you have to take? You have to take the area of the secondary coil. Okay, this means that, let this be our first equation. Okay, now magnetic field at the center of primary coil of long solenoid ड्यू टू करंट IP, मतलब इस करंट IP की वजह से, ये जो करंट है आपका IP, उसकी वजह से सेंटर पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगा लॉन्ग सोलेनोइड की? सो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सो वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट द सेंटर ऑफ प्राइमरी कॉइल. इस प्राइमरी कॉइल के सेंटर पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगा ड्यू टू दिस करंट कैरिंग IP की वजह से. व्हाट इज दिस? that is IP is the current that is flowing into this primary coil. So now magnetic field, that is mu 0 Ni, you all know this. क्या होता है ये mu 0 Ni? Here remember this, that here the number of turns of primary coil is taken, and current of the primary coil is taken. Actually the current is flowing in the primary coil, and this, if you are thinking that it is number of turns, then you are wrong. This NP is number of turns per unit length. Okay, you have to remember this. This is the magnetic field of any long solenoid. This is the magnetic field of solenoid, mu 0 Ni. I think you would remember कि magnetic field जो at the center of solenoid, it will be mu 0 Ni. दिस इज म्यू 0 Ni है ये, ठीक है, म्यू 0 NPIP. 4 पाई कैलकुलेशन फॉर ईजी करने के लिए म्यू 0/4 की मैं वैल्यू बताया ना 10⁻⁷, इसलिए कैलकुलेशन ईजी के लिए हम कर लेते हैं, सब लिख लेते हैं 4 पाई. नाउ अब कुछ नहीं है, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में डाल दो. हाँ, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट क्या पता है हमें इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से? इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से हमें पता है MIP, that is NS mu 0 upon 4 pi into 4 pi NPIP AS. Okay, now MIP इसको तो हटा ही दो, तो मैंने समझाने के लिए लिखाया था और इजी कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए. सो दैट इज NP इज NP अपॉन L, NP अपॉन L. ठीक है, म्यू ज़ीरो लिखा रहने दो, IP लिखा रहने दो, AS लिखा रहने दो. व्हाट वुड बी इट? MIP क्या हो जाएगा? MIP से IP कैंसिल, करंट प्राइमरी कॉइल वाला, NS NP AS अपॉन L. म्यू ज़ीरो गायब भी हो गया. सो अब ये क्या हो गया? म्यू ज़ीरो NP NS AS अपॉन L. Henry. As you know, the unit of this is Henry. Unit of magnetic flux is Henry. Now this the formula which I have derived is for air and vacuum. If we are doing this primary or secondary coil, if these are in a air or vacuum, then this formula is used. लिख देता हूँ मैं air / vacuum के लिए. Now for a medium, if there is a medium like if it is put in under some medium whose permeability is mu r, then what you would do? कुछ नहीं है, इसमें भी कुछ नहीं है. लो भाई, मीडियम डाल देगा तो क्या हो गया? मीडियम डाल देगा तो क्या हो गया? ना फॉर अ मीडियम whose relative permeability कितनी है? म्यू आर उसकी रिलेटिव परमिएबिलिटी है. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? M इज म्यू ज़ीरो म्यू आर NP NS AS अपॉन L. किसी मीडियम में, फॉर एनी मीडियम यू कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, दैट इज हेनरी. किसी भी मीडियम के लिए, फॉर एनी मीडियम. ओके, एंड अब मैं एक और चीज़ बताऊँ दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज दिस L? दैट मीन्स विच लेंथ वुड यू हैव टू टेकन. कौन सी लेंथ लेनी है? विच लेंथ यू शुड टेक? You should take the length of the longer solenoid. Okay, because if there is a question, if there is a question come, then and the question is saying that two long solenoid and they are of different length, then which length you would take? This is very important point, so note it down. Which length you would take? You will take the length of longer solenoid. You should remember this. And every time we should take the length of primary coil. If वैसे तो हम प्राइमरी कॉइल की लेंथ लेंगे. इफ देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन द लेंथ ऑफ बोथ द कॉइल्स, देन यू हैव टू टेक द लेंथ ऑफ द लॉन्गर सोलेनॉइड. ओके, अब नाउ दिस एरिया ये तो सेकेंडरी कॉइल का है, लेकिन अगर इस तरह से दिया हुआ है सेकेंडरी, इन सम क्वेश्चंस देयर आर स्पेसिफिक, कुछ अलग अलग दिया होता है, तब हम उसमें इनर सोलेनॉइड का एरिया लेते हैं. कभी भी याद रखना, हमेशा इनर सोलेनॉइड का. ओके, वैसे आप एस लिखा है तो आप सीधा समझ रहे होगे कि सेकेंडरी कॉइल का लेना है बस. Okay, this is the video. I have covered mutual inductance of two long solenoid. Okay, like, share, please subscribe my channel. Those who are watching, please like. Thank you.